In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link multiple credit cards to the QuickBooks Online Bank Feed. Whether you're managing finances for a small business or keeping track of personal expenses, connecting your credit cards to QuickBooks can streamline your financial management and keep everything organized in one place. It's a straightforward process, and I'll guide you through it step by step. First, let's open up QuickBooks Online and head to the main dashboard. On the left-hand side of your screen, you'll see a navigation panel. From there, you're going to click on Transactions. This is where you'll find all the financial activity connected to your accounts. Once you're in the Transactions section, look towards the top. You'll notice a tab labeled Bank Transactions. Go ahead and click on that. With the Bank Transactions tab open, direct your attention to the upper right corner of your screen. Here, you'll find the Link Account button. This is the gateway to connecting new financial accounts such as credit cards to your QuickBooks Online setup. Clicking on Link Account will prompt you to search for your specific credit card provider. The list is extensive, so you should have no trouble finding the one you need. Enter the name of your credit card provider in the search bar, and when you see it pop up on the list, click on it to initiate the connection process. At this point, you'll need to go through an authentication process unique to your selected credit card provider. This usually involves entering your login credentials or providing some form of verification to confirm your identity. Each credit card provider has its own specific method for this, so it's essential to follow the on-screen instructions closely. This step ensures the security of your financial data, so take your time and make sure everything is accurate. Once you've successfully completed the authentication process, your credit card will be linked to QuickBooks Online. You should now see the bank feed for this card appear in the Bank Transactions tab, ready and waiting for you to categorize transactions. This can help you keep track of expenses, monitor spending patterns, and simplify the process of reconciling your accounts. And there you have it. By linking your credit cards to QuickBooks Online, you can bring greater efficiency and accuracy to your financial record keeping. This step can significantly reduce the manual entry of transactions and decrease the chance of errors, ultimately saving you time and giving you a